Hello, Zoran Prunken, and today I want to talk about how you get in contact with the right decision maker. Now, this comes from a question that someone else asking me, and it's only really applicable for B2B sales and one-on-one selling, where you don't have scale, where you're not doing a one-to-many style communication. And the question was, like, how do you actually get in contact with the right decision maker, or how do you get past gatekeepers? And the real problem is, most people try to get past gatekeepers by actually going to the gatekeeper themselves. And as their name colloquially implies, is they are a gatekeeper. They are stopping you from getting in front of the decision maker just by default of who and what their position, who they are and what their position is. So the way you go around it, and my experience has been, you always go above the gatekeeper and you go above the person that you are trying to get in contact with. You always go to the very highest person that you can get, usually the CEO, managing director, or whoever, and you go to that person. That person is really, really busy, and you say to them, hey, my name is so-and-so. Who is the person that's responsible for every role that you're looking for? And that person, 9 times out of 10, will give you their name and their position and say, this is the person. Usually because that CEO is way too busy to actually field any of your questions. They're more than happy to handball you off, and that's why they are in a management and leadership role, is to delegate to all of those people. Now, you know exactly who the person is and what role they have. All you do, and if you're doing this by email especially, CC the person that gave you, quote unquote, the referral, or told you who that person was. CC them into the communication, saying, hey, I have spoken to the CEO or the leader or the managing director, and they said you are the person that's responsible for this role. I am trying to get in contact with you, and I've CC'd them into this. Again, 9 out of 10 times the person that you have contacted and CC'd the referral into will reply to you, because their boss or someone up the chain from them, in other words, still their boss, is CC'd into them, and they feel like they have to respond, because if they don't respond to the person that's given the referral, they look like they're not doing the job. So that is one easy way to get in contact with people who are decision makers and getting past gatekeepers. So if you're in B2B sales and one-on-one sales and you're trying to get in contact with that person, go to the top, not to the bottom. Try it out. See what happens. Let me know how you go, and I would really like to hear from anyone that tries it out. Good luck.
Thanks for listening, and if you like what was on here and want more, please go to orenprunken.com.